My program is geared towards just preparing the kids to continue in machining at the college level. All the machining tasks and what have you that I've put in place. But the ultimate goal for me is to have these kids leaving my class and entering the workforce.
To me, it's a way of knowing how things work and what makes them work, what makes everything go.
It means a lot. It gave me the skills to actually go out and get a job, gave me the skills to do interviews, gave me a reason to go to school too, because I hated school and now I love it.
I plan on going to Central Michigan University where I will be majoring in mechanical engineering.